My impression of the training modality is it's quite impressive. I think it's rooted in the core best practice principles of education, the fact that it's so heavily focused on competency-based education and links very much into a feedback-driven style of learning where students are continuously challenged with new needs within the health setting, but also continuously get feedback on areas that they are doing well in, but also areas they need to improve in. I think the positive impact here is definitely going to be linked into developing authentic competencies which can actually provide a much better outcome within that primary care setting. What we often see in the traditional models is the generation of a lot of knowledge, but unfortunately not a lot of actual skills that can work within those settings. So that theory-practice gap just becomes wider and wider and wider. So I must say, this is quite impressive, and I'm hoping to see wonderful outcomes for it in the future.